If you are cropping your video just to hide a watermark, you are losing quality for no reason. Let me show you a smarter way to remove it in Capcut PC. This tutorial is for removing watermarks from videos you own or have permission to edit. It is not intended to remove someone else's watermark or to infringe on anyone's copyright. But before I get into the video, hit the subscribe button, tap on notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorial videos that we drop every week. Import the video you want to work on into your Capcut PC. As soon as you have that done, drag the video onto your timeline. And as you can see on my timeline, I have a TikTok video that has a watermark on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to remove the watermark that comes at the end of every video on TikTok, which is this one here. And to remove it is very easy. We're just going to trim the video to take that part out. And to do that, come to the end of your video. Once you see a straight line with two directional arrows at both sides, we're going to drag it. And as you can see, we have removed the ending watermark that comes in a TikTok video. Now we're going to remove the other watermark on the video that comes at the side, which is this one here. We're now going to remove it. And to do that, we're going to duplicate our video first. Come to your video on the timeline, right click, click on copy, come on top of the video, right click again, click on paste. And now we have duplicated our video. Next thing we're now going to do, we're going to come to the top right side of your Capcut PC screen where we have video, and under it basic. We are going to click on mask, which is after remove BG. Click on mask, come down and ensure that the box next to mask has been highlighted like this. Click on add mask under mask. Ensure that rectangle is selected because that will be the best thing for us to remove the watermark with. Come to your video showing on the player preview box and you will see the rectangle box already on your video there. Trim it so that it's the same size with the watermark that you want to remove. You can also check it. As you can see, it's a little bit longer, so reduce it a bit. I'll check it a bit. As soon as you're done measuring your rectangle for the watermark, ensure that you take your mask to a background on the video that is similar to where your watermark is on. And in this video, that will be the white tiles. So I'm going to move it now. Take it under. As we see, the under is also white tiles. Once you are done with that, come to the top right of your Capcut PC screen again. Take it from mask and click on basic. As soon as you click on basic, you are going to see the video on the player preview box will have a white outline on it. And while you're doing that, ensure that the duplicated video that was on top of the original video is what has been selected all along. If that is the same on yours, simply move the video a bit to the top. And as you can see, the watermark there has been removed. But we can still see some sharp edges. And there's a way to soften that. And to soften it, we're going to go back to the top right of our Capcut PC screen again. Click on mask. Scroll down where we can see feather. Take the feather to at least 25 should be okay. Now we're going to go back again. Click on basic. And as you can see, It is much better now. Let's play the video to check it out.